Alrighty, it's been a while, so got one of these 21, 22 Prizm basketball packs. Comes with a bonus pack. Yep, not sure what to expect, but yeah, let's dig into it. See what we get. Alrighty. Start off with Daniel Thieves. Always chop up the names. Alright. Shake Milton. Nice. Derek White. De'Aaron Fox. Let's see. Goran Dragic. Alrighty. Big cards, man. Got Karl Anthony Towns. Got a global reach card. Pascal Siakam, I think. That's a pretty cool one. Raptors. Got a Robin Lopez. It's got that oil finish. I don't know. A lot of these they got different finishes. Hard to pinpoint them. Got an old school Magic Johnson in the green. Nice. Magic Johnson. Luka Doncic. David Johnson, rookie card. Yeah. Raptors. Damn, making a mess over here. Then the last one for the main pack is Rudy Gobert. Jazz. Alright. I've got the bonus pack. See what this thing has. Alrighty. Red, white, and blue. Got Shake Milton, the red, white, and blue. I got the regular one right here. Patty Mills. The red, white, and blue. And then last one is Franz Wagner. Rookie card. Alrighty, not a bad pull, man. Got a couple regular, like I said, I got Global Reach, the Robin Lopez, and then which is the other one, Magic Johnson, or different type, and then you got three of the red, white, and blue up on top. Couple rookie cards. Yep. Not bad for these Prizm basketball cards. 21, 22. With that bonus pack. Yes, sir.